Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. This is your art and craft class. What is this? I have puppet of Ravan. Do you know about some Ravan? Yes, last year I told you about Ramayan, and this is the main part of Ramayan. Okay, Ravan. Here you can see we have two puppets of Ravan. So I will tell you how to make Ravan. Okay, ready class? Ravan. First I will tell you material for making Ravan. Okay class? So just look at here materials of making Ravan. First Fevicol. We need Fevicol for fixing. Then marker for writing and one white paper. Okay, just like that, white sheet and yellow sheet and one golden paper. Look at here, this is the one sheet of golden paper and scissor and some giggling eyes and some giggling eyes. Look at here, I have lots of giggling eyes, but we need only 2 giggling eyes. Okay, and sticks, ice cream sticks. So this is our material. And one more item, some decorative material. Just look at here. Okay, we use this decorative material for design, okay, to making crown of Ravana. So here are and black paper for making mustache. Okay class, so here is our material. Look at again carefully. Fevicol, one pen, stick, giggling eyes, scissor and some decorative material, white paper, yellow paper and golden sheet. Okay, look at here, cut the white sheet in circle shape. Okay class, this is the face of Ravan. Now as you know that we have golden sheet, so we will cut the paper just like crown. Okay, and then we will fix with circle shape sheet just like that. So fix the glue just like that. Okay, then fix with circle shape sheet. Very good, just like that. Okay, after that class we will decorate the crown with decorative material. Okay, so fix the just like that. And next, excellent class, so you have to also fix just like that. Now our crown is ready. Do you think it's beautiful? Yes. Now we will paste eyes. Look at here, this is our giggling eyes and we will paste with Fevicol just like that and fix with paper. Dear student, you have to also fix just like that. Okay, now as you know that we have mustache, so we will fix also mustache. Okay, now it's time to fix mustache. Do you know that Ravan has a very big mustache? So look at here, we will fix mustache of Ravana. Here is our Ravana ready. Okay class, now we will draw nose with black pen and mouth with red pen. Okay, look at here, our Ravan is ready. Okay class, now we will fix with ice cream stick. Here we have ice cream stick. Fix with ice cream stick. Okay, Now our Ravan is ready. Here is our Ravan. Happy Dashera class. Now I will tell you next puppet of Ravan. How to make Ravan. Okay. This is our another puppet of Ravan. So, dear student, fix the eyes on white sheet and cut the paper as crown shape and then fix with white sheet. Okay class, and then paste some decorative material just like that. Okay class, if you have anything for decorative, just like decorative, so you can fix. No need to purchase outside the house. Okay, no need to purchase from market, because I have only few material, so we use this type of decoration material. If you have stars, okay, so you can paste also stars, mirrors, it's your choice. Okay class, now our crown is ready. Next I will paste mustache. This is the time to fix mustache of Ravan. Okay class. Excellent. You have to fix the mustache of Ravan just like that. And now we will draw nose and lips. Okay class. Nose and mouth of Ravan. Now our Ravan is ready. We will fix with stick. Okay, just like that. Excellent. Our Ravan is ready. This is the time to write Happy Dashera, because this is our activity for Dashera. Write name just like that and fix with stick. Okay class, look at here, our next puppet is ready. Happy Dashera. Ravan say Happy Dashera. Okay, now this is our another puppet. I will show you my first puppet. So dear student, you have choice to make puppet just like that and just like that. You have to make only one puppet. Okay class, you have to make only one puppet.